Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to add multiple songs to your Roblox game. I've always seen tutorials on how to add multiple songs into Roblox and they never work. And finally, you guys know I'm a very bad scripter when it comes to Roblox, and the only script I can memorize is the game.workspace.sound::play script thing, which is probably the shortest script you could ever write. But anyway, now first go on all your songs. I chose Firefly, Linked, Necozilla, Kienda, Promise Me, Puzzle, Sky High, Hope, and Hope. Now I just chose 8, and you're also going to make sure that if there's a space in your song, you're going to want to remove the space. So just in case if you don't know who the creator is and you want to listen to that song, just in case you never heard it before, Firefly is by Jim Yosef, Linked is by Jim Yosef and Annie Yvette, Necozilla is by Different Heaven, Kienda is by Lennart Scruton and No Brain, Promise Me is by Nurko and Last Heroes, Puzzle is by Retrovision, Sky High is by Electronima, and Hope is by Tubu. So, yeah. Anyway, don't mind the Tycoon kit right here. I was just a lot of times when I'm in ROBLOX Studio, I just don't know what to do. But anyway, now I have all my songs. So I'm gonna do a preview of all of them. That's Firefly. That's Linked. Oh, you probably couldn't hear it. Let me do that. I have my headphones plugged in. That's Firefly. Jeez, I'm kind of stupid. How did I not know my headphones were plugged in? Linked is basically the same thing as Link, except it has lyrics sung by Annie Yvette. In fact, I even have a Minecraft animation on Linked. Go check it out if you haven't. And then Necozilla. Kienda, literally my favorite song. Now the beginning's kind of boring, but listen to this. Keep listening. So basically you can skip this part if you really want to get to the thing. I'm just previewing the songs right now because sometimes you're just hearing a song. You just hear a song and you're like, dude, I wish I knew what that song is called and who made it. And I'm just going to, now, before I delete Hope, I'm just going to preview. So I'm going to delete Hope and replace it with, Zaza Be Together. That's another common song that you hear on Roblox all the time. Probably the most common song to hear on Roblox is Zaza's Be Together, Puzzle by Retrovision, and Sky High by Electronima. Oh yeah, and you also hear Spectre by Alan Walker a lot. And you also hear Necozilla and Firefly, so yeah. Be together. Ah! Jeez, I'm bad. Ah, no! Okay. Anyway, here's a preview on Be Together. Now I just realized that that's not the full one, so I'm going to delete that. Why is it not playing? Oh, there it goes. Yep, that's the full one right there. So I'm going to be together. So here's a preview on Promise Me. I'm going to skip this. So, Spats. Here's Puzzle. I think I've already previewed it, but I'm not sure. That song is a Roblox classic that I've always just been listening to on Roblox, and I'm just always like, dude, what is that song called? But apparently it's an NCS release. Here's Sky High. Another one of those Roblox classics. And Be Together I already previewed. So now that you have all of these, do not parent them, otherwise it's not going to play. Now what you want to do is go to the Workspace and insert a script. Just like that. Now what you're going to do is first type in your first song, which in this case would be Firefly right here. So I'm going to type in game.workspace dot Firefly colon play and then parenthesis. And then you're going to want to type in wait. And now first you want to check how long the song is. It is about 120 seconds, so you want to put wait, parentheses, 120. And now you do game.workspace.firefly, no, not fire, oh my gosh, so I'm kind of stupid today. Type in linked, come on, why is the caps on? Go play, no! Jeez, my typing's terrible. Now I'm going to check how long this song is. It is about 223 seconds. And it's also has a fade away at the end, so you're not really going to notice if it's like 0.2 seconds shorter. So it's, I already forgot how long. It's 223. So wait. 2, 2, 3. Now, unfortunately, I do not know how to repeat these. I tried duplicating the script, like copying, pasting it over and over again, and it did not work. It kind of played all the songs at the exact same time. It was a nightmare. It sounded horrible, and yeah, it was terrible. So don't even dare try that. Yeah, I tried that in my game DJ Tycoon, and it did not go so well. And not only that, but I was literally about to go to bed, so I actually had to keep it for and I forgot the next day, I think. So I literally for 24 hours, I had to keep it a terrible thing with a GUI at the top saying, just turn your volume down for now. I mean, I'm sure no players wanted to turn their volume down, but I'm sure they didn't want to listen to that either. Okay, anyway, let's get back to, so now, game.workspace.neko, what the flip? Nekozilla :play. Now some of the multi-song scripts from YouTube tutorials do work only in the studio. I tested it in the studio and it works perfectly, but then I play the actual game. It's just all the songs are playing at the exact same time. It's ridiculous. Terrible. So after that, I'm going to check. It is about 166 seconds. So I'm going to do wait 166. And just keep doing this until you have got all your songs. So, just a sec. I'm gonna finish this entire script. So now that I've completed the script, unfortunately I don't know how to repeat it. If you guys know a script that allows this to repeat it, please put it in the comments, because I'm pretty bad at scripting. This is probably one of the most complex scripts that I know. The only other script I know is text animation, which I will do a tutorial on that if you guys need it. Because my other How to Animate in ROBLOX Studio surprisingly got some pretty positive impact, and I'm pretty surprised because I've been using ROBLOX Studio for about 2 years. I mean, I started like 2 years ago, and then I just quit for maybe a few months, but then I got back to it, and I've got a lot of experience on it now, but still not as much as a lot of popular game developers out there. So anyway, unfortunately I can't make this repeat. I mean, you can make it repeat for a certain number of times, but you can't make it repeat forever. And you're probably like, how are you going to make it repeat for a certain number of times? Please tell me. Well, you're going to want to make it repeat as many times as you think, and you're going to want to make it repeat for a long time, just as long as how long you think your player is going to stay before they leave, because it's not like they're going to stay in there forever, so that's the point. So anyway, what I'm going to do, so if you want to add a reverb, so basically, there's actually 3 parts in this video. That was the first part, just a basic script on multiple songs. So if I join the game, it should play Firefly. Yep, it's playing Firefly right now, and when the song finishes, it'll play the next song, which is linked. So anyway, now basically, sometimes now I can't make it repeat forever, but I can make it repeat for a certain number of times, like if you want 10 times, so I'm going to make it repeat once, because I'm sure if I make it repeat too many times, I'll lose track. So basically, I have all these second songs. So I'm going to go to the first script, and I'm going to copy and paste it right here. And if you guys know how to do dark theme for the scripts, please tell me how to do dark theme, because that theme is actually pretty cool, I admit. But like, who cares about dark theme? It's not going to affect the script. So anyway, if you want to repeat once, you're going to want to, first I'm going to go to Beat Together and look how long that is. It is about 175 seconds.
I want you all to myself. Don't want to share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Will you promise me?
So, now that we got that, 1,485. So, it should repeat a second time. After 1,485 seconds, it should repeat again. And I'm gonna make sure it doesn't like do weird stuff on me. And everything seems pretty good to me. So anyway, that is how you add music to your game and have it repeat. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys on another video on the channel. Bye, and subscribe.